Good morning, students. I am your new teacher of science. My name is Ravi Kumar. This is the front page of science book. This is the first chapter, A Green World. In this chapter, we will study about the plants, how plants make their own food, types of plants, and plant structure. Let we start. Plants are green in color. They make their own food. They give us food and oxygen. The plants use carbon dioxide present in the air to make their food. All animals use oxygen to breathe. There are different types of plant. Big plants, small plants, very small plants. About the trees, some plants like neem, banyan, mango, etc. are big plants. They are called trees. They are strong, thick and tall. They give us shade. As we see here, the trees neem, banyan and peepal, they are very long and they have thick stem. They are very tall here. We can see some trees like coconut, ashok, palm and pine grow straight. They are thin and long. They give us very little shade. As we see here, the coconut tree is very straight and very thin. Ashok also and palm. Test yourself. Put a tick in the circle for the things which we get from trees. We get mango from trees, but we can't get the doll from the plant or trees. But coconut is also we get from the trees. So tick here, right, and cross here and right here. Herbs. Very small plants are called herbs. They live only for one season. They have weak stems. We can grow them in our kitchen garden. Do not crush them under your feet because it is very little, so it is come in our feet, so we do not crush them under your feet. Shrubs. Some small and bushy plants are called shrubs. They are bigger than herbs. Some of them are grown as hedges. It is grown in hedge, it means it is grow in the forest. They have woody stem and is grown for many years, like rose, bougainvillea, hibiscus and jasmine. Climbers. Some herbs have very weak stem. They cannot stand on their own. So they need some support to survive. They climb with the support of a wall or some other plant. They are known as climbers. Do you know some plants grow on other plants? They are known as epiphyte. Epiphyte means they are not a parasites. They are grow tropical rainforest where they are more rain fall down infrequently, like pea, green pea, money plant, grapevine. Creepers. Some herbs with weak stem run along the ground. They are grow on the ground or the field. They are called creepers, like watermelon, pumpkin, cucumber. Test yourself. Give 2 examples of the following plants. Trees means neem and mango. Shrubs like Shrubs like rose, bougainvillea. Herbs. Herbs means grass and brinjal. Climber like grapes, money plant. Creeper, watermelon and pumpkin or cucumber, etc. Thorny plant. Plants which have thorn on them are called thorny plants. Some plants have thorn on their stem. So protect the plants from animals. They hurt us if we touch them. When we touch them, they hurt us. Some plants like rose, lemon, cactus, etc. are example of the thorny plants. You can see here rose, lemon and many more. Some more important plants. Different plants grow in different places. Some plants like lily, lotus, etc. grow in water, as like lotus. Some plants like cedar, pine, etc. grow in very cold region or in mountains. Some plants grow in the regional, as like mountainous plant such as cedar and pine. Some plants like cactus, babool, etc. grow in very hot region in the desert. For example, cactus and babool. Now, what we have studied in this chapter, what is herbs? Very small plants are called herbs. Example, grass, etc. What is herbs? Small and bushy plants are called shrubs. Example, rose, jasmine, etc. What is climber? Those plants which have weak stems and they need a support to climb up. What is thorny plant? Plants which have thorns on them are called thorny plants. Example, lemon, etc. New words. Trees. Big, strong and tall plants are called trees. Shrubs. Small and bushy plants are called shrubs. Herbs. Very small plants are called herbs. Climber plants. Plants with weak stems that need a support to climb up. Creepers. Plants with weak stems that run along the ground. Example, we have already studied. Moral question: why does a climber need support? Climbers cannot stand on their own, so they need support, as like money plant. Name any two shrubs. Hibiscus. Number 1 hibiscus. Number 2 is bougainvillea. Okay, thank you.